Hello and welcome to Divina Decodes. All you beautiful people, just see what a beautiful morning it is today. And I hope that all of you are taking good care of your body, mind and soul. Today is a very special day because I'm going to talk to you about something very, very special. Come. So my friends, fans, family, everybody have started asking me how with each passing day I have started looking younger. Have I found the fountain of youth? Really? Actually no. Let me tell you a true story. Something that left me baffled and completely took me by surprise. Did you know that thousands of years ago in India and China, the Buddhist monks cherished the lotus flower, the Brahma Kamal. They passed on this knowledge to their disciples that the universe was formed from the heart of the lotus seed. So what are you thinking? That's it? What is she talking like? Secret, lotus, flower, blah blah blah. Patience. I will tell you the real story now. In a research conducted by UCLA University plant psychologist Jane Shane Miller, the oldest lotus seed germinated after being dormant for over 1,200 years. That's the oldest ever lotus seed. Yes, I repeat, 1,200 years. There has previously been no record that seeds can resist the aging process of over 1,200 years. After analyzing further, scientists discovered a magical protein repair enzyme. When dermatologists at Michelle USA, a skincare and hair care brand in the USA, tested the protein repair enzyme and combined it with a rich blend of antioxidant, it had an amazing anti-aging effect on the skin, just like the sacred lotus seeds. And you know what? Clinical tests in the US showed the skincare formula with the lotus seed extract reduced the appearance of lines and wrinkles by as much as 50% and increased skin elasticity up to 82% over 4 years. Wow, I was surprised. Aren't you now? So when a very dear friend of mine introduced this to me, I did my own research, and the best part was that they created an entire anti-aging range with the CTMP routine. That's what I call is an anti-aging range. That was missing from my routine actually. The very first product I use after waking up is the Michelle USA Papaya Brightening Cleanser. I really like the richness and fragrance of papaya in it, the softness, and again, just love the fact that the cleanser also has age prevention properties. That's my secret step number 1. Immediately after washing the face, I will use the Michelle USA Alcohol-Free Facial Toner. It has amazing properties since it is totally free of harsh chemicals. Plus, once again, it has the secret ingredient of sacred lotus seed extracts. That's my secret number 2, to remove any makeup, tone my skin, and make the pores receptive to my regime. So immediately after the toner, I will use the Michelle USA Ageless Skin Energizer. This has the peptide hydration cream. Moisturizer, I would say, is the most important ingredient to make your skin soft, supple and ageless. The Skin Energizer works like magic and keeps my skin free from wrinkles and fine lines too. That's my secret number 3, to keep my skin young and ageless. But there's a crux to it. Whenever we talk about skincare, we only talk about our face and we forget invariably our neck. But the first signs of aging are visible mostly in the neck because of our neglect that we do, and then the sun damage or the sun exposure and the gravity that pulls us down. So Michelle USA's neck therapy cream was a surprise for me right from the first application. You can feel the reduction in lines around the neck thanks to its peptides that assist in faster cell renewal. It also contains huge amount of sacred lotus seeds that tones up drooping skin and tightens the visible sagging around the neck area. It also nourishes your skin and takes care of the lines and wrinkles. I will stop the video right here to draw your attention to one very, very important thing. I have told you maybe 100 times before. No amount of skincare and no amount of attention to your skin will make any difference to your skin unless you appoint a bodyguard for your skin, which is the sunscreen. Michelle USA sunscreen with SPF 45 does a wonderful job. It's my personal bodyguard which not only takes care of my skin but keeps it protected from harmful UV rays of the sun. This is one product from USA but now specially made for India and dermatologically tested for Indian skin. And you know, that's just the tip of the iceberg, as Michelle USA has an entire regime of products crafted for Indian skin, right from under eye serum, night creams, neck creams, even an anti-aging hair care tonic. Can you believe it? It's like the first ever anti-aging hair care tonic. So that was my secret skincare routine. Now you cannot tell me that I did not tell you my secret. And now that you know it, you can share it with the world. And don't forget to visit their website www.michelleusa.co.in. And yes, if you're watching me for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, Divina Decodes.